Hi, I'm Di with Sister Chicks Quilting, and I'm usually found on YouTube at Sister Chicks Quilting, but I came over to this platform today to tell you about a brand new tool that I have in my quilting arsenal of tools. It is the Fabric Cuts titanium cutting blade. I'm telling you, I was rather skeptic that this blade was going to be any different from a regular blade as far as lasting longer and cutting better. I was proved wrong. Let me share my experience with you. I hosted a quilt retreat, and at the retreat, I took cutters with regular cutting blades and with titanium cutting blades. I asked the attendees if they wouldn't try them both out. Everybody loved the titanium blades, and after day 2, nobody wanted to use the regular type of blade. Here's a few quotes from some of the ladies at the retreat. Kay was very pleased with how smoothly the blade cut through several layers of fabric. And I gave Debbie a blade for her own cutter. She cut with that same blade through the entire retreat. Then she went home and cut several flannel kits out. She said it was like it had a brand new blade in it. And this was about, I think, 3 weeks to a month after the retreat. Then Terry had never tried a titanium blade before, ever. And now she said, I will never go back. It is such a game changer. So smooth. Tammy loves the blades too. She says she will never go back. A girl's gotta have her titanium blades. Now, let me share my experience with you. This was the very cutter. And if you take a look, you can see that it has marked on there, titanium blade. I put this blade in my cutter on the 9th of March. And I took it to the retreat. It was used through the whole retreat. And about a month after the retreat, I was given a stack of fabric to process into scraps. Let me show you these stacks. I was cutting this much fabric with no problem at all. And this is pretty cool fabric. It's from the 50s, so I was pretty excited to cut it up. But let me tell you, it cut through this, like I say, with no problem. I'm always going to have one of the Fabric Cuts titanium blades in my wheel cutter as long as I'm a quilter. And I hope you do too.